It's only about 6 o'clock. These storms came in pretty quick. Look at them. Goodness. There's some twisting in that. Right there. Wow. That is really cool. It's like we got wind coming from the west and coming up from the south, and they're meeting right there. All you storm watchers out there. Oh wow, Jeff. That is absolutely amazing. We are about to get dumped on.
The geese are starting to panic.
Yeah. No threats to us, guys. We did put the trucks in the shop just in case the hail
Look,
comes.
the light came on.
Yeah. Security lights are on. Just the motion of the clouds is just amazing. I love it. I wouldn't really call it rotation, but it is pretty cool to watch. Wow, cool breeze. You feel that?
Yeah, it's just getting
That felt
colder.
good. It's been pretty humid today. You guys are getting tired of looking at the storm clouds. Goats are all safely tucked away up in the barns. Oh, there's the wind. We weren't supposed to have any wind either. Little bit of rotation. That is just so cool. It almost looks like smoke. Babe, come here, look. Look. Right there. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. That's spinning. Look at that.
Sure is.
You guys see that? See that spin? Storm shelter is 5 feet away from us, guys. Not worried. That is so
I might have
cool.
to break for coffee.
Or cover. Look at that. Oh, I always wanted to see it. Look at it spinning. Do you guys see that spin? Do you just want to scream tornado on the ground?
That's kind of cool though, the way
Yeah.
it goes.
Yeah. Okay, had to get under cover. Look at that. Very weak.
Well, it dropped down a lot.
Yeah, it did. Very cool. And just like that, it's done. Anyways, guys, that was a little fun. Just something different other than the goats, but no danger here. We're gonna get some rain, maybe a little hail, but everything
Hopefully.
gets watered.
Yeah, definitely.
Everything gets watered. Anyways, if you guys don't mind, give us a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.
Yeah, see you on the next one.
Thank you for watching.